Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to block using iron with the steam. It's very easy, super fast, especially if you need to ship something. And then, or you need to wear something. So it's very easy. So I just wanted to share you this short tutorial on how to block a knitted item. As you know, handmade items are not, they don't look like store-bought, but there's tricks to make them look professional. And here is one of the ways that I wanted to share you how to do it. So it's super easy, and this is a faster method to just to block your knitted garments. And so let's get started. So I'm going to attach a clip that I have posted on a tutorial, and it's I'm showing you how to steam the knit item. So this is the finish. This is how it looks like when it's done. So it's nice. As you can see, the knit, you can see the knits are relaxed and they look nice. Okay, so I will put the clip and I will share it with you. So at the end, I'm just going to, it's going to be cut off. So it's just one of my clips on, it's just a clip on one of my tutorials that I have cropped, cut to make this video. I wanted to make this separately because I do have a couple of this information on my tutorials, but it looks like it's in between. So I've been getting comments, how do you block your knit items? So here we go. This is the easiest way to block them. And yeah, so you don't have to, you know, wet it and then put it on a blocker to wait for overnight. So this is super easy and super fast, and it's dry. So you can wear it right away. So yeah, and I'm going to say again, the YouTube way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share with your family and friends. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, and stay tuned for the blocking method on how to block this lovely shrug that I have knit. Okay, so I have knit the sleeve and I have finished. I just wanted to show you, this is how it looks like when you knit it up. So I'm just going to steam it a little bit and show you how to do it. It gets this way, but we're going to fix that. So I did knit a couple of rows. I didn't count, just depends on how you want it. So I just knit a couple of rows and then bind off, and then I picked stitches, which I'm going to do it right here and I'll show you. Well, we had the stitches resting, right? So it's the same stitches, and then I just continue to knit, and from here to here it's about 9 inches. So I did do a total of 6 decreases, and I will show you how to do the decreases. And I do knit round and around, so it is seamless. No sewing involved. And then what I did is I knit 2 together about again 6 times. Then I knitted about 10 rows of rib, 1 knit, 1 purl, and then I bind off. That's all that you have to do. So I'll just show you how to steam it. What I do is these this is what I use, Gain, for a fabric softener. So when this empties, you know, there's always a little bit left over, right? So what I do is with the leftover inside, because you can't, for some reason it's stuck there. So I just put a little bit of distilled water and alcohol. I put a little bit of alcohol, and then I shake the Gain container, and I put them in here. You can, what I do is it's just I use this bottle over and over. What I do is you can use it as a room deodorizer or what I do is, because it's skein, right? Nothing, so what I do is I spray on here. Just, I'm going to show you how to relax your knit items. And I did this a couple of times on my other tutorials, but I'll show it again. I bought these at Amazon. So what this does is this protects my knit garments, just to be on the safe side. I don't know what material it's made of, but it's not nylon, so it does not melt. So with my iron, what I do is just give a little bit of steam. That's all I do. And then I try to straighten this part. I don't iron it, just be careful because we don't want, you know, just we're trying to relax our knit and then straighten it up. That's all I'm doing. Just like this with your hand. And I do the same. So this protects my my hand, so I don't press it, like I don't press it on the item, just a little bit of about 1 inch. There's a space, and then I straighten it. So my knit items relax. See how it looks? Way better, huh? And I do the same on the sleeve, just a little bit, not too much, just to relax it. That's all I do. So I just wanted to share you this trick that I do. And see, it looks way better. And when the baby wears this, see? And this is how it looks like. So I will